Hello people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk about another credit card offer that came in the mail. And with this credit card, you guys, it is going to be the Milestone credit card. So I want to talk to you guys about the Milestone credit card. I did a review on this credit card before. I'll make sure I pin it so you guys can go ahead and check that out. But I want to go ahead and do a review on this and show you exactly what came in the mail. Now, yesterday I did a review on the Discover. So yesterday I did the Discover and I showed you all how to get the Discover in the mail. But today I'm going to show you how you can actually get this one in the mail, and also other credit cards like the Discover credit cards, the Chase credit cards, different credit cards that's actually out there. So let's get right on into the video. So this one is saying that the credit limit can be all the way up to $700, and they said that I have to make sure I apply by April 11, 2022, and I can apply right online. And with this one, they're going to charge a $39 annual fee. So you guys have to figure out if you guys are willing to pay that annual fee. To me, if you guys were to get this one, think about it like this: you won't, if you have bad credit, if you don't want to put down a security deposit, then you can easily apply for this one because they don't have a security deposit at all. And then you guys will still have that theft protection. So that's one thing I do like about it. Now, Milestone in general, they allow you guys to do the pre-approval online. I'm going to show you how to do that just in case you're not getting this offer. You can still go ahead and see if you can pre-qualify online. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do that. But you guys don't have to worry about any application fees, any processing fees. And when you guys apply, when you apply online, they'll let you know right away. You don't have to wait to get something in the mail. They'll let you know yay or nay right away. And I always tell you guys about pre-screening. You guys need to get pre-screened for credit card offers like this. So I'm going to show you how to sign up so you guys can get these credit card offers in the mail, and also how you can do the shopping cart trick so you can go ahead and apply for a lot of credit cards online. But yeah, you guys have different options. You can scan the QR code, and then they have a personal code that you have to go ahead and put into the website. I'll show you how you guys will put that in. You put that personal code in, they'll already know who you are, and it should be easier for you to get approved because they already said that they approve so far with the 700 credit limit. So let's go ahead and let me show you all the website, how you guys can get pre-approved for it, and then I want to show you exactly how you can go to Factor Trust and opt out pre-screen so that you can go ahead and get these offers in the mail, and you guys can do something that's called the shopping cart trick. But let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so to accept your mail-in offer, what you want to do is you want to go to milestonego.com/invite, and remember, I showed you all that you will have a personal code. You can go ahead and input your personal code here, and then go ahead and put your zip code in, and then click get started. Now, don't forget, you guys already pre-qualified for it. So when you actually apply for a credit card, you guys are going to get a hard inquiry. Now, I do not know exactly which credit bureau they're going to pull for you, but I see that they're actually pulling from all 3 credit bureaus. So it's a hit or miss on each credit bureau in terms of who they're going to pull from. We don't really know for sure. If you apply for this credit card and you know exactly who they pull from, definitely let us know down in the comments. But this, you guys already was pre-qualified for it, so you guys have a great chance of actually getting approved. Now, if you did not get pre-qualified for it, you guys can go directly to their website, which is milestonegoldcard.com/home, and you guys can pre-qualify for the credit card. And all you have to do is just click right here where it says pre-qualify today. Just get pre-qualified for the credit card, and it's not going to be an impact to your credit score unless you go ahead and accept their offer. At that time, you guys are going to get a hard inquiry. But you can click right here on pre-qualify today. Go ahead and put your name in, your address, your email address, your phone number, your date of birth, and your social security number. This is the same information that you guys have to put into a company called Factor Trust and the opt-out pre-screen. And I believe if you guys put your application in for the opt-out, and a Factor Trust pre-screen, when you guys go ahead and come to these websites and try to see if you can get pre-qualified, you guys will probably have a greater chance of getting approved because you'll already be in their system one way or another. But you guys can go ahead and put your information in and see what they can pre-qualify you for. If you all have not did the Factor Trust or the opt-out pre-screen, let me show you all what you have to do to get started with the Factor Trust and the opt-out pre-screen. You guys have to make sure that you're getting in their system. And if you guys haven't checked out my video yesterday, definitely check out that video about the Discover card. I showed you all how you can get that offer in the mail, which I'm going to show you with the Factor Trust and opt-out pre-screen. But you guys can also come here and click check now and see if they can pre-approve you for the Discover credit card, the same way for the Milestone credit card. So definitely check out my video on the Discover credit card. Let me show you exactly what you have to do to opt into the Factor Trust and the opt-out pre-screen. And after that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, so before I tell you how to do the application and put in your invitation number, let me show you the 2 websites that you want to opt in to so that you can even get these offers in the mail. So the first website I want to talk about is Factor Trust. So to opt into Factor Trust, you want to come right to their website. I'll make sure I have it down in the comments. You want to click on opt in and you want to click submit. Next, you want to go ahead and put in all your personal information. Now, this is a small credit bureau, so they may already have your information in the system. We're going to just put your information onto this application so that your information can be in the system. Now, they may already have your information, like I already said. Now, if you apply for like payday loans before, some car dealerships, they may have gotten your information from there, but we want to make sure that we're getting your information updated. Now, you want to go ahead and put your first and last name in, your social security number, your date of birth, your address with your city, state, and zip code, and your email address, and click submit. When you do this, what you're doing is you're telling Factor Trust, hey, send my information out to all the credit card companies out there, all the credit firms that can actually give me offers in the mail. That's what you're doing. And if you guys haven't heard, you can do something called the shopping cart trick where you can get credit card offers right online. You don't have to wait for the mail. So that's what you're doing. You're putting your information in there so that you can get these credit card offers. I always tell people wait 5 to 7 business days if you're trying to get the offers to pop up online. And you can wait up to a month, sometimes even longer, to get those offers in the mail. But the goal is to just get them start coming. You just want them to start coming. So what you'll do is you'll go ahead and put in all of your information here. Now, the next website I want you guys to look into is the opt-out pre-screen. Now, with the opt-out pre-screen, it's the same exact thing. You want to get offers in the mail. So what you're going to do is go down to the bottom of their website and click right here where it says click here to opt in or opt out. Go ahead and click right there. Now, you got to put that same information in that you put into Factor Trust, your name, your address, social security number, your date of birth. And you want to make sure that you're opting in so that you can go ahead and be included in their list so that if there's any offers out there, they'll send you those offers. Let's go ahead and click continue. Now, like I said, it's the same information that's on Factor Trust. Put your first and last name in, social security number, your date of birth, and then go ahead and put your address in with your phone number. Now, they have a security code here, so you go ahead and put that security code in so that you can go ahead and click confirm. Wait 5 to 7 business days, like I said, if you want to get them online, and wait about a month, sometimes even longer, to go ahead and start receiving those offers in the mail. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters, but say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below, or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.